This is our next lecture on section 2.1. This is on translating. So we're just going to get into an example here so we can see how we translate from an English phrase into a mathematical expression. Our first example number 3, the quotient of 15 and a number. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to underline to show you the quotient of, and I'm going to circle this to show you the quotient of, and this linking to this and right here. And then I'm going to underline the two things that it links. Now we need to know that quotient means division, and division is going to go right there in that place of that and. So 15 and then divided by, and then the number, and I am going to carte blanche across this entire set of examples, let x equal the number, and I've set that up from the very beginning. If you don't, you need to set it up each and every time you do it. Our next example, the product of. So the product of, and I'm going to go find the thing that it's using to connect, so the word and here, and it's connecting this and this. So we need to know that product means to multiply, so we're multiplying 708 and the number. So the operator and is going to go right in here. Because it's multiplied times a variable, I can just simply write those next to each other. So 708 x, and again I've already defined the let x equal the number, so I've already got that defined, so I have 708x. The next one down here, the difference of a number and 15. So the difference of, it also needs to connect, and it's connecting with the and. That shows us where the operator difference goes. Difference means subtraction, so I'm subtracting these two numbers. Difference is one of those that come in the right order, so it's a number and then the operator subtraction and then 15. And so now I have x minus 15. And then our next one goes over here, and we have 7 more than a number. So 7 is a number, so I underline it. More than is going to take the place of my operator. That's where my operator is going to go. More than is addition. Now more than with the preposition than, remember, reverses the order. So this is going to say x and then more than plus 7. So 7 more than a number starts out with the last number x and then adds to it 7. Now our last one has a star next to it because this one is one that your book doesn't get into. This is one of those that reverses the order. And I'm sure that's because we haven't talked about the commutative property formally, but I certainly want you guys to know that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to underline the 15 because the 15 is indeed a number, and then subtract it from a number. Alright, so subtracted from, it has the preposition, so it's going to reverse the order. So we're going to write the second number first, and then we're going to write the operator subtraction, and then we're going to write the first number 15. And so we have x minus 15 as the translation of 15 subtracted from a number. Now the last one here, we have write the following algebraic expression as an English phrase. So this one I'm going to be translating the opposite way. And we're going to go over here to the next page so I can write this down. And I have 19 plus x, that's one way of writing this. So I could write 19, and I want to make sure I spell those right? 19, and then I could say plus a number, and that would be one way to write this out. I could write it also as 19 added, or a number added to 19, so that would be another way of saying it. So I'll abbreviate this a little bit because I'm getting short on time. So a number added to 19, and I'll write the number this time again because of the short on time. I could say some number more than 19, so that would be another way of putting it, some number more than 19.